Hello and welcome to another mini tutorial from UPVC Spares for Repairs. Today we're having a look at a gearbox that is ordered on a regular basis from us. It's from the company Mila. Now this is the gearbox that is normally ordered for going on residential doors as part of the rail that goes down the side of the door. Now some people have been ordering this thinking that it will fit onto a linear bifolding door mechanism. However, there is a difference. This is the linear product, or the gearbox that's made, and can you see that next to here there are the cuts? On this one there aren't any. This is a visual display that you can see without removing the gearbox from the rail. However, one other thing that is distinctly different is that when you put the two side by side, the linear product has got a sliding section here which is missing from the standard Mila gearbox. Now this is something that's caught a lot of people out. They've been disappointed. They've ordered the part expecting it to fit, and then lo and behold it doesn't. And when they've come back to us, we've then explained to them that the only way that they can tell the difference is by the slots on the side or the carrier, the section on the inside with the gearing behind it. I hope that that can help someone during choosing between linear products and Mila products. The only other thing to point out is if you're buying the linear product, it comes unfortunately with the full mechanism. It's not sold as a separate gearbox. Sorry about that, but that's how they're sold to us. Thanks once again for watching UPVC Spares for Repairs.